Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click here in this page. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.